This video shows how to load and unload a media roll with the tabletop roll holder on HP Cytex Flatbed 550 and 750 printers. In this video, we will demonstrate the steps for loading and unloading a media roll using the HP Cytex Flatbed 750. But the same process can also be used with the HP Cytex Flatbed 550 printer. First, start the loading process by using the front panel. Navigate to Media, then select Configure. Select your media. Select Proceed. When the Load Media Now prompt displays, select Yes. Select New Load. Then select Top Table Roll Holder. When printing on flexible media, the system automatically requests Supply and Take-Up or Tabletop Roll Holder. The front panel displays all of the steps that must be performed. In this step, learn how to lock the input table to the printer. Rotate the tabletop down, lock it into place, and move the table into position against the printer. Align the table locks to the printer lock bracket, then lock the user end and service end table locks underneath the input table. Next, set the roll holders on the table. Choose the appropriate locating holes depending on the media width. Then set the roll holders on top of the input table, engaging the locating holes. For safety reasons, the roll holder must be positioned with the label side facing out. Follow these steps to load your media onto the roll holders. Set the media roll on the two roll holders. The maximum roll weight supported by the input table is 60 kilograms. For heavy rolls, use 2 people to perform this operation, following safety precautions for handling heavy substrates. Orient the media for print side out printing only. Rolls with print side in are not supported for the tabletop roll holder. Use the normal supply and take-up configuration. Feed the media into the printer. The media edge should be under the light foam roller. Press Proceed on the control panel. The front panel shows the next steps to be performed. Follow these steps to advance the media to the input roller. Check that the foam roller placed on the holder on the input is the correct one. The correct foam roller has a grey plastic stopper and is lighter than the other 2 foam rollers used for roll-to-roll configuration. Place the foam roller down onto the media. Turn on the fans and move the belt forward until the media is past the input roller. The media should be under the rail. Press Proceed on the front panel. The front panel shows the next steps to be performed. Follow these steps to minimize media skew tracking. Place the foam roller back up into the storage position. Press Move Belt Forward for 5 seconds to set media tracking. If necessary, manually adjust the position of the roll. Press Proceed on the front panel. The front panel shows the next steps to be performed. Follow these steps to advance the media past the output roller. Turn on the fans. Place the foam roller back onto the media. Move the belt forward until the media is past the output roller. Make final media positioning adjustments. Check the roll position on the roll holders and confirm that there is no skew or misposition that can cause wrinkles. The printer is now ready to print. Follow these steps to unload flexible media and the tabletop roll holder accessory. Cut the media from the output side to remove it from the belt. Remove the rest of the media from the input side. While moving the belt backwards, roll up the media. Remove the media roll. Remove the foam roller and place it on the side holders. Remove the roll holders. Lift the module parallel to the table until the pin locator is out.